You know what's happening amidst all this chaos globally and the external shocks is that the bullion prices are continuing to soar higher, despite what many analysts may see, gold and silver much ahead of fundamentals, or probably very swiftly and a sharp movement that we've already seen in 2025, a whopping 180% rally on silver, 80% rally on gold, and even now amidst all these geopolitical shocks, we are seeing continued buying action on gold and silver. Today, the spot gold prices globally are standing at $4,563 per ounce at the COMEX level. This is the first record peak that gold has clocked in, viewers, for 2026. Silver is at a record level of $83.5 an ounce as well. Remember, back home in India, you can see these prices somewhere around for gold, 1,40,450 rupees per 10 grams. For silver, it's hovering around 2,59,900 levels, and almost at 2,60,000 is what we had already seen the silver prices as well at. Now, given this kind of a situation, would you still believe, Abhishek ji, that probably it's still better to ride the winning trend in gold and silver, looking at all these geopolitical concerns, rather than Nifty, even if it would warrant valuation comfort vis-a-vis the other asset classes?
So, couple of things. I think, gold, we should not couple gold and silver together as of now. Yeah. Maybe in the future, it might sort of get coupled in the sense that gold is getting stored or being bought primarily in very, very large quantities by the central banks. So what is happening is globally, large countries used to keep their reserves in the US dollar, and that is slowly depleting and getting replaced by gold. You look at India, it's exactly doing the same thing. Our dollar reserves are, slowly reducing, and gold is going up, and that is happening across the world. So gold primarily, the primary driver is obviously the buying by the central banks. And obviously there is some amount of, momentum driven buying by, ETFs globally that's happening. Silver is more sort of a piggyback kind of rally which is happening. Plus there seems to be demand from solar and industry. But having said that, solar demand is not something which is new. It's not something that has come up 3 months back, right? Or 6 months back or a year back. Solar, cell production, etc. demand has been there for the last 4 or 5 years. So the question is, the narrative that is getting created for silver is actually a narrative because, the solar or the industry that was needing it remained the same, say 2 years back, 3 years back, and silver was not rallying at that point in time. So that's my take is that buying a little bit of gold, silver may not be a bad idea from a portfolio perspective, but again these have run up a lot, and history tells us that when a particular asset class runs up a lot, then the next few years it tends to cool off. So whether that cool off happens this year or next year, I don't know, but it will.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.